Hello. So we continue on the Amiga 500 front. As always, I'm just turning on the one here. That is my test run, just to see that it works. Woke up. Oh. This one woke up. This is, first of all, it's missing an F10 key. You know, things happen. It's also quite yellowed. But it does seem to have woken up. But, as we are testing things, let's see if it's still awake. Because, you know, things happen. Okay, I think we're in. We will apply power. We will turn it on. It's asking for workbench. Imagine. And so, we will give it workbench. It is rather dirty, this one. Dirty. But if it's awake and all it needs is an F10 key, that's a good deal. So it is firing up. It was also asking for workbench 1.3. And it seems to be coming right along. Well, while that's seeming to be alive, let's see what this is. Oh. It does nothing. This, as far as I know, at this second, is the last Amiga 500 I have. But you know what? I know there's one out in the garage. I saw the box, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. I saw it. Well, at least there's a box. I suspect there's a machine inside there, but I couldn't get to it. But for the moment, we are doing mighty fine here. So I'm going to tuck this one in behind. That didn't go well. Maybe this needs to be on its side. No, it's still a little wonky. Well, maybe. I'll just stick the Amiga 500 inside the case there. And since we're on a roll, this has no note. So this one might work too. And I think it was in the position of the one that I thought that worked. I thought. Oops. Okay. Ooh, it's making funny looking things. Okay, that's not good. What's going on here? I haven't got it turned on. Maybe it's got a funny connector there. Let's turn it on. This is looking promising. Oh, I heard something. But I don't see anything. Well, it's making sounds like it wants a disc. And now that I put a disc in, it's not making those sounds. Interesting. Well, making noises. Let's try again. It does the flashy things. You hear that clicking? That's the noise. That's what we want to hear. Oh, now something is happening. Oh yeah. Okay, So I don't know if you can see, I think you can see a little bit in the corner. This one I now remember had a squirrely workbench screen thing come up. And what does that mean? Well, it means it had a squirrely workbench looking thing come up. What does that mean in terms of what it is? I have no clue. So, but I'm going back to what we just did before, which did not produce any positive results, but might have, because it ended up that basically, what did we need? We needed to reseat some chips, which of course this maneuver, like this, is supposed to do. Sorry. Hope I didn't startle you. But anyway, remember that came straight from the Commodore service bulletin. Drop it. Now, am I pleased to do that? No, I'm not. But, let's turn this on. Holy crap. It now says Workbench 1.2, and it's nice and clean, and nice and clear, and I'm going to give it Workbench 1.3. Okay, it didn't like that. I'm going to give it the same disk again. Okay, now it seems to be reading.
That was easy.
And look at that. It's alive. Alright, just because I can, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to let it rest for a moment. I'm going to turn it back on. And see if it's still happy. Workbench 1.2. In goes the 1.3 disk. And it's reading. Well, hallelujah. So, it's a miracle, really. So we're fast running out of Amiga 500s to mess with. I suppose I need now to go on a little search. Because what I'm trying to do, of course, is, well, as you know, I was working on these pets and then ran into trouble. Then I was going to do, no, maybe I was doing 40/40 things. Then I got onto the pets. Long before that, I was going to do the SX64s and assess all of them. I did start onto the Amiga 2000s, etc. But certainly haven't got finished with them. But anyway, along came the 500s. And there we have it. And you hear it? It's just chunking away. Well, so let's hear it for the Commodore service bulletin. Okay. Head. Strange. Workbench. Screen. Did. Dropped. Per CBM service bulletin. Hello, we're recording. Draft workbench 1.2 works. It's a miracle. I did document this. I did. Okay. Maybe. Just that there. I don't think so. Maybe. Just squeeze in there. I don't think so. Oh, it does. Oh, my word. And sorry, I didn't notice this before. The enter key. Oh, it's been broken and someone tried to fix it with some glue. Okay, so. Enter key broke. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. So I guess the last thing to do right here, as ceremony dictates, is plug this test machine back in, turn it on, pop in the workbench disk, and watch it work. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, what am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, it seems at this moment I have 7 Amiga 500s that I haven't, to be fair, I haven't tested them completely. I'm going to check out the keyboards. One is certainly missing an internal drive, but compared to where we were not that long ago, this is pretty fine. As this is cranking up, everything seems to be dandy. Life is good. So, yeah, I don't remember the count before, but there was a whole lot of things not working. And now they all seem to be fine. I guess in terms of the Amiga 500s at the moment, there's nothing else to do. Suppose I could start putting back together. Testing the keyboards, making sure all the keys are fine. But you know what? For this moment, I think I'll just rejoice. Woohoo! Ooh, was that spirited enough? Wait for it. Let's see what we have on our flashlight. We have... Yes, it's time. It's time to walk away and open the creaky door and carry on in the search for more Amigas.